Why do the heavy lifting all by yourself? It's time to bot.
Congratulations on your new AI-powered assistant. You now have a WhatsApp bot that saves you lots of time and effort. Ready to streamline your communication? Let's connect your bot to WhatsApp in just a few steps. First, enter your bot's dashboard using the link we emailed you, and start the connection. Next, on your mobile, open WhatsApp settings, choose Linked Devices, and add a new device. Wait for the QR code to appear inside your dashboard. Then, scan the QR code, and stand by for a confirmation message. That's it. You are logged in. Your bot is currently in standby mode. And we highly recommend that you only activate it after you've watched the next couple of tutorials, in which we learn the basics and activate your bot together for the first time. Now, it's time to set up your conversation flow so that your new bot can start replying to incoming messages. To set up your automated replies, AI agents, and to get the most out of your WhatsApp bot, watch our next tutorials. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all that's new in the realms of automation solutions.